Have you ever wondered what makes a hero truly heroic? Casino Royale changed everything we knew about James Bond. This 2006 film didn't just reboot the franchise, it completely rebuilt Bond himself. Gone are the gadgets and the invincibility. Instead, we meet a Bond who bleeds, learns, and experiences love. The story picks up with Bond at the start of his career as a 000 agent. He earns his license to kill and is tasked with stopping Le Chiffre, a financier for terrorism. The catch: he must defeat him in a high-stakes poker game at Casino Royale. Along the way, Bond encounters Vesper Lynd. She's not just another love interest, she challenges, softens, and ultimately breaks him. Her betrayal leaves a lasting emotional scar that shapes Bond for years to come. What sets Casino Royale apart is its emotional realism. Daniel Craig's portrayal of Bond reveals a man grappling with the costs of violence and trust. The thrilling parkour chase and brutal fights pull you in, while quiet character moments remind us that he's painfully human. Vesper's role redefines Bond romance. She's integral, not disposable, serving as the emotional compass of the story. Of course, not everyone loves the film. Some viewers thought the poker scenes slowed the pacing, especially when compared to the fast action at the beginning. Others questioned if the gritty realism overstepped, losing the franchise's charm. Yet, even these critiques show the film's courage to take risks. Casino Royale didn't just revive a 40-year-old franchise. It sparked the parkour craze in cinema, and inspired a new grounded tone in action films like the Bourne series. Craig's Bond emerged as a cultural icon, representing vulnerability and strength. From a life perspective, Bond's story teaches us about the power and danger of trust. His heartbreak reflects that vulnerability can be both a strength and a risk. In filmmaking, Casino Royale shows that reinvention works best when rooted in character. The film doesn't just superficially modernize Bond, it rebuilds him from a place of emotional truth. In conclusion, Casino Royale is one of the greatest Bond films because it dared to start over, giving us a flawed hero. It set the tone for a new era of action storytelling, reminding us that even iconic characters can evolve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration, remember to like and subscribe. This episode is part of our playlist, The Daniel Craig Era, from 2006 to 2021, Reinvention, Realism, and Bond's Final Arc.